Hi, I'm Tamara Small, a program analyst with Tax Administration Jamaica, TAJ. In this video, we want to share with you the requirements for keeping good records, examples of records that you should be keeping, how keeping good records benefit you, and tips to help you keep your records up to date and safe. Keeping good records is vital to the survival of any business. Good records help you to be aware of the financial position of your business over time. Did you know that a registered tax bill is required to keep and maintain books and records for a period of 6 years? These records are to be kept in English and at the principal or main business place in Jamaica. If you file different or separate tax returns for branches of the same business, accounting records must be kept at those branches also. Additionally, all changes made and the dates they were made should be recorded in date order for ease of reference. The records must be kept in a form and contain information which will allow you and the authorities to determine your liabilities and obligations under the law, or the amount of any credit or refund to which you may be entitled. Here are examples of books and records to be kept: purchases and sales books, purchase invoices, import and export documents, sales invoices, income and expense records, cash register tapes, copies of GCT returns, purchase orders zero-rated by Tax Administration Jamaica, bank statements, and tax invoices. This list is not exclusive, and you will realize that the type of business you are in will also help determine the information you will need to record and keep. Now, let's talk about how well-kept records benefit your business. Keeping good records may benefit you or your business by shortening the length of time an income tax audit takes to be completed, helping to verify all your business expenses for tax audit purposes. It may help you to get loans from banks and other creditors to grow your business. Financial institutions will need evidence of your ability to repay loans and will need to use your records to help determine this. A lack of proper records could prevent you from having access to needed financing. Proper records keep you better informed about the financial position of your business and help you to know if you're making profits or losses. It can also mean tax savings, as it can be used as a reminder of expenses related to the business that should be deducted before arriving at taxes payable. Here are some tips for keeping good and safe records. The first thing we suggest is that you establish a procedure around recording your business data. For example, set aside time daily or weekly when this all gets done. Secondly, it will help to keep your business and personal expenses separate. You need to identify business expenses in order to properly determine if your business is feasible. Always get enough documentation to back up your claims for business expenses, such as invoices, canceled checks, or receipts. Keep your records organized and in an easy-to-reach location. If you are frequently on the road, establish a system to keep all your receipts. For example, keep a labeled envelope handy for receipts, or you may choose to use a notebook and record your sales and purchases on separate pages. Consider scanning or taking a picture of receipts and invoices to save space and time. Always keep security in mind. File cabinets should be locked, computers should be password protected, and backup copies should be kept in a separate and safe place. Thank you so much for listening. We hope you found this video useful. For more information and assistance with meeting your tax obligations, you may visit the Tax Administration Jamaica's website at www.jamaicatax.gov.jm or call our customer care center at 1-888-TAX-HELP. That's 888-829-4357, or send us an email at taxhelp@taj.gov.jm. Tax Administration Jamaica, changing the way we do business by working together to serve you even better.